Greetings and salutations, Johnny Maclock and Metal Plus. Here I am again with another video. Drink first. Oh. Right, so what we're listening to is The Chasm. The album's called The Spell of Retribution. Yeah. Earache. It's the only one they put out, not sure. And it doesn't bounce, so just fine. There we go, that's that. Talking of Earache, the main reason we're here is to show off the new Earache book. 35 Years of Noise, the inside story of the pioneering label, told by the artist and the staff, written by Guy Strachan and Dave Ling, forwards by Max Cavalera and Digby Pearson. Standard copy of this book has got what's his face? Pardon me. Glenn Benton from Deicide on the cover. They did two limited edition ones with just 100 each. The other one was I don't remember who's on the other one, but this is the trade from Morbid Angel one, and it also comes with a signature. It's signed by Digby Pearson himself, the label owner and founder, so that's cool. Let's show you the book. Bands, collage thing. That's the Max Cavalera and Digby one, or the Max one. Whenever Sepultura were playing Nottingham in the UK at Rock City, Digby would show up with Earache boxes. It was like fucking Christmas. On those boxes I discovered the likes of Fudge Tunnel and Godflesh, among many others. To put it simple, Earache was in the 90s was the shit. The underground was on fire, entombed, terrorised at Carcass napalm death, and I always loved the Earache logo, which was designed by Jeff Walker from Carcass, who would later design the logo for Go Ahead and Die. Long live the underground, long live Earache. And there's a thing from Digby as well, but I can't be arsed leaving that, honest. Let's see some pictures. Angel. First chapter, DIY Days, bedroom label, Carcass obviously. Napalm death, obviously, concrete slaps and all that sort of stuff. Intense Degree. Big beat. Napalm, Chaos UK. Brian Cole's beginning to take over. Stream Metal take over. pound. That's tray. And that's the guys from Entombed. So I'm going to show you that. You see that little, you can see the flyer. It says Dead Heavy, Dead Evil, Death Metal, Entombed, Left Hand Path, supported by Carcass. Now, if you look at the cities that they played at, Liverpool, Nottingham, London, basically every single Birmingham, Sheffield, all Edinburgh as well, all major cities in the UK, and at the very bottom you've got Wrexham Memorial Hall, because they always play Wrexham. To be fair, Golly and Carl, Mark and Carl, the guys that organised it, always had a good relationship with Earache, and all the Earache bands we got to see him in Wrexham, as Mark G with a C can tell you. He travelled down from Blackpool to see all the shows in Wrexham, which is awesome. There you go. So, Art and Censorship. So they said this, it's a big book. Very cool too. So I've got a hospital appointment on Monday, where I'm going in for the thing fitted to help me feed when my throat's bad. So I will take this in with me. So, and have a good read. So that's well worth having. Next up, I've just got 3 albums to show. Following on from Earache, this is one of their current bands, as we know they don't do extreme stuff anymore. This is one of their hard rock, heavy metal bands. This is Massive Wagons, the new album Triggered. This is signed. Back. Let's look with just as you can see, I don't take myself too seriously. Great live show, a lot of fun. Each song, there's a lot of tracks on it. Great follow up to 2020, I think it was. 2021, the last one, House of Noise. And this is on orange vinyl, like a tangerine. So yeah, excellent album if you like your hard rock with a sense of humour. It's got some great riffs in it, great melodies, really good, well worth a listen. So yeah, modern Earache for you. Massive Wagons. Right, next up, this doesn't need much introduction, does it really? Yeah, no, that's finally got And Justice for All back in the collection. It's one that I bought back in the day when it came out. We saw them on the tour back in '88. Awesome album. First one with Jason in him on bass. I said I had it and it got trashed in my garage, and as everybody knows that looking to pick this up on vinyl, it cost an arm and a leg. I was looking to pick this one up for just an arm. No, a decent price that I was prepared to pay for it. I've been waiting years for it to drop in price. So this is this is on the Blackened label, which is Metallica's own label. It came out in 2018, so it's the reissue. Hype sticker says Justice remastered on 180 gram vinyl. Features one Blackened and Justice for All, Harvest of Sorrow. Yeah, we know the tracks on it. And there's a hype sticker, little thing that says the number 5 greatest heavy metal album of all time, Rolling Stone Leaders Poll. I'm not sure about that, but Lumming day. So yeah, finally got a hold of it. That's the sheet. Very familiar. The lyrics and picture and shit. Double album in a non-gatefold, annoyingly. Just black vinyl, obviously. Yeah, they're both the same, so I'm not going to show them to you. Well, apart from the fact they've got different songs, you know what I mean. Yeah, so that's that. Just pleased to say I've got it again. I'm having another drink through. That's all. Right. Last up, so there's only a few albums I just wanted to show that didn't fit in with the others had. There were types of metal, and these are kind of not. This is Wytch HazelHa, yesterday's type of metal. But what I mean is, it's not black metal, it's not death metal. It's more traditional heavy metal, I guess. A little bit folky based, but its roots are based in new wave British heavy metal. I've turned onto these by Andy Cloudy Milder. This is the oh Maxie, shush. This is the inner sleeve. Sounds like there's somebody at the door or something. Well, that's the band. Itself, beautiful. Look at that. Not one for Logan, obviously. He likes his vinyl black, but I think it's really cool. I like that. Suits what looks good. But yeah, so Wytch Hazel, if you like your new wave of British heavy metal sounding stuff. This is a new band. I think it's their first album called Prelude. They've got another two. Andy Cloudy Milder says they're all good, so but this one dropped under 20 quid, so I thought it's worth a purchase, and it's great. Really enjoyed it. Listened to it in the week, and yeah, good stuff. That's me done. I've got 2 more videos to churn out today, but as I said, they'll be going out through the November and December. So okay, that's me done. Thanks to all the new subscribers, much appreciate you guys. Thanks to the old subscribers, new subscribers, yeah, whatever. Everybody that follows me, I'm really appreciate it. It's helping keeping me going. Everyone's been wonderful going through this treatment. So I'll see you guys soon. Laters.